Analyze data using the Heatmap functionality in Aranet Cloud. To create a heatmap, first navigate to the Analytics section of Aranet Cloud. Then, go to the Heatmap sheet and select the Manage Chart function. Select the desired metric and corresponding sensor to analyze key system parameters, such as temperature, CO2 levels, energy consumption, or others. The heatmap aggregates data in 1-hour intervals, allowing you to choose a customizable period of up to 7 days. Select from maximum, minimum, average, or total values per hour to identify patterns and anomalies in the monitored processes. Switch between different time periods to obtain a detailed overview of data. Adjust the range of these measurement values to better highlight daily patterns and identify inefficiencies, such as spikes in energy use. This analysis will help you to pinpoint areas for improvement and optimize your systems accordingly.